Hello my brothers and sisters, welcome back to the channel. My name is Changyak. Today I bring you three heartbreaking and powerful updates from South Sudan that we cannot ignore. These stories are not just news headlines. They are real life, real suffering and real call to action for all of us. Well, in Warab State, Tony East County, at least 46 people have tragically lost their life, and 22 others have been wounded in 3 days of deadly violence between the Luashjang and Walwo and Jalwo communities in Gwit village. This conflict, which took place between May 27 and 29, saw homes set on fire and family torn apart. According to the Minister of Information, Mamer Bat Mabok, the violence was luckily triggered by revenge. Let me say this clearly. Revenge will never bring peace. It only brings more pain and more graves. Our communities need healing, not hatred. And this starts with us speaking out and demanding justice and reconciliation. At the international level, the UN Security Council has renewed the army embargo on South Sudan for 1 more year until May 31, 2026. This means weapons are still banned from entering the country unless they are non-lethal and use it for peacekeeping. The decision comes as violence continues across the country, despite past promise to disarm and stabilize. Countries like Algeria, Somalia, and Russia abstained from voting, but 9 nations say yes. South Sudan is not yet ready for weapons. What does that tell us? The world is watching, but real peace must come from within. We must disarm the heart filled with hate before we disarm the hand holding guns. And finally, in Eastern Equatorial State, a new report revealed a shocking truth: over $50 million worth of gold was illegally mined in just 3 counties, without a single cent going to the national budget. That is right, millions stolen, while local communities remain in poverty. This illegal mining has led to over 400 cases of gender-based violence, school dropout, death, and the destruction of life. Foreign nationals and even people connected to the government officials are involved, yet our people still don't have proper roads, hospitals, or schools. This is more than corruption. It is betrayal. Betrayal of the people, of our future, and of the land God gave us to protect. We must demand accountability and say clearly, this goal is not for a few powerful and it belongs to the people. To all of you who are watching, don't scroll away from this. Let your heart feel what our people are going through. Let your voice be part of the call for change. South Sudan is bleeding, but it can still be healed. And that healing starts when we stop being silent. Share this message, leave a comment, and most importantly, keep speaking up, because if we don't raise our voices for justice and peace, who will? Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay hopeful. God bless South Sudan.